turn a panel discussion into a powerful content engine. Most people treat panel discussions like a one and done event. But what if I told you that a well-run panel can keep delivering value for weeks or even months after it's over? I'm Kristin Arnold. I'm a professional panel moderator and a master facilitator. And over the years, I have seen panels become some of the most high impact and yet underutilized content opportunities at events. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your panel into a powerful content engine that keeps working long after the applause stops. So let's dive right in. A few years ago, I moderated a leadership panel at a regional conference, and it went great. It was a full room, it was a lively discussion, even a standing ovation for a panel. But here's the really cool thing about what happened after the event. Each of the panelists on their own created a blog post summarizing the key points of the panel. Now that's 4 separate blogs. The marketing team pulled a few quotes from the panel and crafted them into a few LinkedIn posts. And then the organizer shared video clips on Instagram. Now that one panel turned into at least a dozen pieces of content, and they didn't even plan for it. Imagine the impact if you actually planned the reuse of that panel content intentionally. Here are 5 steps to turn a panel into a content machine. First step, plan for repurposing before the panel happens. Choose a panel topic that has a long shelf life. For example, the trends, the mistakes, what's next. Tell panelists that you'll be capturing the content for reuse. And then ask them to speak sometimes in sound bites with strong, quotable statements. Step 2, record the panel professionally if possible. Use high quality audio and video. If you can, have separate mic feeds and make sure that you have release permissions to use across channel. Number 3, pull out the golden nuggets. Identify 5 to 10 aha moments, memorable quotes, or bold predictions. I hope you bake it into the way that you designed your panel format. You know, they're gonna be able to clip short video snippets, maybe 30 to 90 seconds, or maybe even transcribe those key insights for the blog posts or LinkedIn carousels. Number 4, they're gonna repurpose across multiple platforms. So you're gonna wanna create LinkedIn or Instagram quote cards, or a blog post that recaps, or it's a follow-up email to the attendees, or maybe post some short clips to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, you name it. Or maybe you create a downloadable highlights PDF. Now, here's the bonus idea. Invite the panelists to share your recap, and you'll amplify that reach instantly. Number 5, extend the conversation. You can host a post-panel webinar, a podcast episode, or a follow-up Q&A with some of your panelists. Or you could take all of those questions that weren't answered and extend the conversation. You're not just creating content, you're building community. I'm just curious, have you ever turned a panel or even a presentation into content that kept working and working afterwards? What did you do? I'd love to hear your ideas. Just drop them in the comments below. You know, panels don't have to end when the room clears. With a little intention, your panel can live way on as a blog post, a reel, a quote card, and even spark a whole content campaign. So if this gave you some good ideas, hit the like button or even subscribe to this channel. Your audience deserves more than just another panel. They deserve a conversation that sparks insights and actions. And to help you make that happen, grab a set of my panel design cards at paneldesigncards.com or enroll in my free video course at howtomoderateapanel.com. Together, they'll give you the tools and confidence to shine as a moderator.